This is a powerful full body, glute shaping combo, especially for that hourglass look. Dumbbell Curtsy Lunge plus overhead press with mini band. How to do it properly. Step by step. 1. Setup. Place a mini resistance band above your knees. Hold dumbbells at shoulder height. Stand tall, core tight. 2. Curtsy Lunge. Step one leg diagonally behind the other, like a curtsy. Keep your chest upright. Push knees slightly outward against the band. 3. Lower down. Drop your back knee toward the floor. Front heel stays grounded. 4. Drive up plus press. Push through your front heel. As you stand, press dumbbells overhead. 5. Return and repeat. Bring weights back to shoulders. Alternate sides. Reps 8-12 per side. Tempo, slow down, controlled up. Muscles working. This is a compound plus functional movement, so many muscles fire at once. Lower body, primary focus. Gluteus maximus, main driver, lifting and power. Gluteus medius, side glutes, helps widen hips. Quadriceps, front thighs. Hamstring, stability and control. Upper body, deltoids, shoulders, overhead press. Triceps, arm extension. Upper chest, assist press. Core and stability. Core, ABS plus obliques, balance and control. Hip stabilizers, especially due to band tension. Benefits of this exercise. 1. Builds rounder, wider glutes. Curtsy angle plus band, strong side glute activation. Helps create hourglass shape. 2. Burns more calories. Combines lower plus upper body. Great for fat loss, plus toning. 3. Improves balance and coordination. Cross-body movement challenges stability. 4. Strengthens hip stability. Band forces knees outward, protects knees. 5. Time-efficient full-body workout. 1 move, legs, plus glutes, plus shoulders, plus core. Common mistakes, avoid these. Knees collapsing inward, fight the band. Leaning too far forward. Using momentum to press weights. Too short step back, limits glute activation. Variations, to progress or modify. Beginner version, no weights. No press. Focus on balance first. Glute-focused version. Hold weights at chest. No press. Lean slightly forward. Slower tempo. Maximizes glute engagement. Advanced power version. Add knee drive, plus balance at top. Or make it slightly explosive. Pulse variation. Stay low in curtsy. Add 2 to 3 pulses before standing. Then press overhead. Alternating press variation. Do lunge. Press only on one side. Increases core engagement. Pro tips for best results. Think. Push through heel plus squeeze glutes. Keep tension on band the whole time. Use moderate weights, don't sacrifice form. Slight forward lean, heart more glutes. Thanks for watching.